Hello and welcome to Philip Talks. I am Philip and today we are going to change out the tank I put in the other week, the thermal expansion tank here. Alrighty, because what happened, get some light on there, here we go, it's better. Because as you can see, I have galvanized pipe here, black pipe here, galvanized here, and that doesn't work. All right, you really want to do it in copper. So I finally got around to get my copper things. Now we're going to change this out. Alrighty. So the new thing now, it's not really new. It actually came out in 1989, but it's starting to get used a lot more frequently now because it's so much easier to use, which is called ProPress fittings. And these are them. You probably heard of them before, but to see them work, these are the females, of course. That's where it goes in. The males, the T you're going to need, and the elbow. As you can see, it says ProPress on here. Made by Vega. Right there. Read that. Now, people don't usually work with these, and of course, there's a pipe that I need to cut around. People don't usually work with these because they're expensive. And, but I got mine tool and so forth from a friend of mine, and so I don't have to go out. The tool's very expensive. Here's the tool from Milwaukee, and it has 4 clamping mechanisms on it. This one's for a 1/2 inch, then it goes up to 3/4 for this one. This one should be 1 inch. Yep, this is 1 inch, and this one's 1 1/4 inch. And they all fit onto this gun. All right. That puts a cramping on the end of this. And here's what it looks like basically. I just did one up just to show you guys. See how it crimps it on the ends? Like that? That's what it does. So this is 1 inch actually. This is 3/4. These are 3/4 down here. Pretty wild, right? Now, the reason why I don't go out and buy one, because of expensiveness. For this tool right here, it's almost $3,000 to get this. Well, like I said, my friend had it, so I'm borrowing it from him. And but $3,000 for this. And the fittings, this could run you $6 a piece. These are like $4 a piece. This T is like $5 a piece. This is a 90 that could run you $5 a piece, average. So it's kind of crazy, right? But so this is what we're going to be working with today. All right, let's get back taking this off. So I closed the water off up here. I shut the water off, and I'm going to shut down the pilot light down here. So go to your controls and put it on. You can put it on vacation mode, or you can put it on pilot so it won't turn on you. All right? You don't want that happening. So I loosen this up. So I'm taking this out right now. As you can see, it's loosening up. So, okay, it wasn't that much. So it's good. All right. So we shake that up as much as we can, because as you know, we're gonna have to take this off also, because I'm not going to use the same hose. I have a different hose. So now I'm going to take that off. There we go. Next is the thermal expansion tank here. All right. Need 2 hands to hold this. Okay, there we go. There should be no pressure because I took that off. Definitely going to leak a little. There we go. Get rid of that. Now we take that off. Switch out. All right. So that's the last of the old piece. Just cut 2 1/4 inches because 1 inch goes into the fitting, right? And when you put 2 together, like I'm going to, you want a little space in between. All right. See, that's tight now. So it's a little more, but then you need the tool to go around each side. So if you're in a tight space, you just don't want that tight. Okay. All right. So we're ready to press fit now. So let's get the tool out, like so. Put the battery in. Now we need 3/4, so this is a 3/4 one, like I mentioned before. And that's what we need in here. So what you do is you turn this, and you pick it up like so. So then it's opened inside there. And you slip the tool inside, like so. That hole goes in the middle, like so. Then you come over here, you push the tool in like that, and you go down. That locks it in, just like that. All right. Now you also can get these tools. You also can get these tools for PEX, but they won't have. You see how that has a hexagon? Let's see if you can see that better. Yeah, see that? That's what you need for these copper. So then you open it up by pressing like that. So let's come back over here. We're going to put this in. We're going to put this in, like so. Push that in until it doesn't go anymore. And then you push that in. And that's all she wrote. So now I'm going to get the press fit over here, the machine. Open these up. Open these up. See these little humps here? That goes inside the groove in here. See there's a groove in there? So you snap it around just like that, around the groove. And then you come to the trigger. Just pull down on the trigger. And the machine will shut off by itself when it's done. Like so. Alright, go up to the next one. Same thing. Pull the trigger. Now I'm not letting go of the trigger. Once you pull the trigger, it goes automatically. Alright, 2 more times for this. Do the top one first. Alright, on the bottom. Make sure it's in. Maybe look at it this way. See how cool it looks. See that? We'll get it out of here, and there we go. This would be like 2 solder joints if we did it differently, but look how quick that was. It was like a couple of minutes, and we put 4 different attachments on here. With 3 attachments, but 4 connectors, rods. So here is going to be where I'm going to put this, and the expansion tank will be on the end here, of course. All right, so, and as you can see, I taped it up, you know, nylon tape. So then you just screw this sucker on. Gotta make sure it's really tight, nothing leaks. Unfortunately, the only bad thing about these press fittings, you can't take them apart. Once you got those on there, that's it. You gotta start over. So that's the bad part. Yes, it's quick, but that's about it. It's very quick, very easy to do. All right, so that's pretty tight. So I think I'm gonna let it go out that way because I have to get through here sometimes. There's my crawl space down in there. So get some water out of here. Okay, so what I did was I measured it out. I put this about 13 inches, all right? And because this takes up an inch here, goes in, yeah. So I'm gonna crimp that down now with the tool. So we open up the jaws, and then you see a lot better. Like so. So we open up the jaws, make sure we're in there, like so. Start her up. Okay. So she goes off automatically, and that's in there. I made up. See this, the elbow to 2.5 inches. I needed 2 1/4, I mean. All right, so I'll put that in there. I'll put that on there, and I'm going to put this together. All right, I'll do it up here for you. It's a little tight here, but it's all right. All right, so. Okay, that's one side. And now the other side. It doesn't matter which side you really put it on right now. Okay. And now, what's important over here, I'm going to put it on the end, all right, on the end of here. So once you do that, you have to make sure you're vertical, all right? I'm going to do it by eye, because that's all it really needs. And if it's a little off, no big deal. But right about there, that's pretty good. So now I'm going to crimp this on. Like so. Like that. Take the expansion tank. See, I'm about 2 inches away from it. Maybe 3, which I wanted. So, the next part is screwing this in. Easier said than done if you don't have 2 hands. There we go. Nice. Ow. There we go. Need a wrench. Okay, so I got that on tight. So next, just have to hook up. Let me grab you. Next, we just have to hook up the water line. Okay, so what I did was I bought an extra long line here. I just put it on, and you see how it has nice curves to it, no really kinks. So that's how I went about it. It's 24-inch line, and it works. I think it works good, because then I would have to go from here to here. That angle's not a great angle, so I opted to do that. Okay, so this is the whole deal right here. Now the moment of truth. Turn the water on. You probably heard that. And check for leaks now. Turn the valve open all the way. I'm looking. Nothing there. Nothing there. It's all cold now. Nothing here. Nothing here. These are good. That's good. All right. I would call that a success. All right, guys. I'm glad of that. Got rid of the old cast iron piping, galvanized, and put in new copper stuff that you should do in the first place. All right. Hope you liked the video. Hope you learned something. Please give me a like, subscribe. If you have any comments, write down below, please. All right. Until the next one, take care. Later.